Hello, Elmonica engineers. This is Callie McNamee, principal here at Elmonica, and I will be summarizing June 4th school newsletter. First of all, you will notice that Ms. Zusman's Classroom Spotlight newsletter is attached. Click the link to see what is happening in our kindergarten classroom. Then my letter for you today, talk a little bit about Camp Achieve. First through fifth graders returning to Elmonica could have a summer school experience. There is a link attached. It says the deadline is Friday, June 4th. I've heard that they're extending the deadline a little bit, but if you are interested in participating at Camp Achieve, please click the link to essentially register. However, space is limited, so not everyone who applies will be able to participate in summer school. So if you're even thinking about it, please jump on the list as soon as possible. Next is some information about August Kindergarten Academy. This is for our new kindergartners entering kindergarten in the fall. It will be August 16th through 19th in the morning. Right now I'm working out details relating to providing breakfast and lunch, and there definitely will be transportation provided for those people who live outside or live in the transportation zone, which is about a mile from the school. Next, there's some information about a vaccine opportunity for students or children ages 12 and older. Please click the link to schedule an appointment for Sunday, June 6th or Monday, June 7th, and it will take place at Columbia Sportswear on Science Park Drive, which is about 3 miles from here. There's additional information, and there's also a county vaccine helpline that you can call if you have any questions. Our calendar for this month is June 7th is Chocolate Ice Cream Day. Think about the goodness of chocolate ice cream. June 8th is Best Friend Day. Reflect on how do your friends help you be a good friend. And then June 9th is Donald Duck Day. I'm not sure how we reflect on cartoon characters, but you can go ahead and give it a try. Maybe how they bring you joy. June 10th is Ballpoint Pen Day. Where would we be without ballpoint pens? At least my generation can talk about ballpoint pens. And June 11th is, of course, Elmonica Spirit Day. Wear your red, white, and blue spirit wear. I'm wearing my spirit wear today. And the word for the month of June is reflection. So please reflect this month and think about how the year has gone well and what have been the extraordinary challenges that we faced this year and how we've persevered. Next is information about Chromebook and iPad return. Students need to keep their iPads and Chromebooks through the end of the last day of school on the 18th of June. However, they all do need to be returned. I know you do not want an overdue fee or a charge for replacing the device, so please return them. They may be returned on Friday after school after 2:30 until 7 o'clock, and then on Monday, June 21st from 7 a.m. until 6 p.m. we'll have somebody outside ready to receive the devices and to check them in. If you have to return it at a time after that, you'll need to return it directly to the school office. So please ring our doorbell so somebody can come and retrieve it. And that will be between 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 or 4 o'clock p.m. from June 22nd through June 25th. Next is some information about the student test results. If your third, fourth, or fifth grader participated in the Oregon statewide assessment, the scores are available in Parent View. There's information if you need a printout for whatever reason, if you're leaving the country or enrolling in a new school and you would like a printed version, you can, there are 2 people that you can contact to receive a printed version. Next is the 21-22 school year calendar for your reference so that you can plan your vacations or your trips to visit family through the end of August and be ready for school in September. Then there's 2 flyers about summer meal program information. Please take a look if your family participates in the meal programs. You will be able to receive them from the high schools this summer. It will not be available at Elmonica. And we have a fundraiser coming up. Our PTO has been sponsored by McDonald's on Regatta Lane, which is the one over by the Walker Road Fred Meyer. Please join us for on June 15th between 5 and 8 p.m. As a fundraiser for Elmonica. And then there's some information about arrival and dismissal for our 3rd, 4th, and 5th grades. There was quite a bit of congestion on our side parking lot, which was causing an unsafe environment for our kids to arrive and depart from school. So we've closed that section for pickup and drop off. Parents can use the street entrance on 167th Avenue. There is a pathway, and in the morning and in the afternoon, there is adult supervision near that pathway. So please feel free to use the street to drop off your children in the morning and avoid coming in the parking lot altogether. Next, there's information about kindergarten registration. We know we have more kindergartners out there ready to come to us in the fall. And then, of course, there's the regular community resources, the COVID-19 health and safety guidance, our community resources, our shared photo album, and a family toolkit. And that is it for this June 4th edition of the Elmonica newsletter. I hope you have a joyful weekend. Thank you.